Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share you my experience of making a origami gray wolf. This is origami gray wolf. It is sitting down and discussing something. Maybe they are discussing about their family. Now I will let them join their family there. Okay, I will let him sit. Okay, you sit here also. In the nature, I never saw a blue wolf, but this is a origami game, and I can see some blue or red wolf in future. Maybe generic modified things will happen. Who knows? So, okay, this is the square. This is the paper, square paper. Blue paper I printed from a white paper, and for testing my printer, my laser printer. So if I don't use it for my origami show, I will just throw it in the recycle bins. So now it will become a wolf, blue wolf. Okay. So I fold it corner to corner, corner to corner, and now I will fold edge to edge. So edge to edge. Okay, now I get this shape, the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put these two corners together, then I will push from here, the closed side, this way to get a smaller square. And this smaller square has 4 corners here, and this corner is completely closed. And this corner is completely opened, you see. Now I will fold all the edges inside. So I fold this edge firstly from the closed edge. Here is opened edge. So I align this edge to the center line. So I just fold this way. And this side same way, I fold this way. And I fold this part inside as well. Okay, now I rotate paper. I will fold the opened edge to align with the center line. And I won't fold like this. This side is enough. And now I will rotate paper and open all the sides of a square, and I will put this position. I'll open it with my finger, this part. Okay, you see here, I will collapse this mountain to create a valley here. So the lines, the folded lines, here will be 2 mountains, here will be valley. I will collapse it. Okay, it is collapsed. And the opposite here, same way, I open from here, the open side. I push from here and let it fold along the line that I created previously, this way. So And so you see, I will push it inside. Okay, I get this shape. Now, previously I also folded this way. So it means I will push these sides inside as well. So, okay, here I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put all inside separately. So I push it. But here I need to connect this point and this point. I will continue push. Continue push. Here the line will be straight. And the paper cannot push anymore, so or maximum. So collapsed. And this side same thing. I just open it and I push it maximum to maximum and collapse. Now I have another two edges need to push inside. Same techniques. So same techniques. I just push it maximum. This side same way I push it to create a point here maximum. And now you see all edges are inside from these 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I rotate it. I forget to fold these 2 parts inside. I also need to do it now. So I open same way. I open like this with my finger. Here I will let it fold inside. Okay. And this part, same technique. I just push it inside. Okay. Now I will just fold this polygon, this part of triangle down to create a small triangle and a big triangle. And now you will see here there is a polygon constructed with 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. So I will put these 2 triangles down. I will fold it down. I will fold this down as well. And then you see 2 small triangles. So 1, 2. Okay. So and this is middle triangle. I call it middle triangle. So now you can observe here completely closed, here completely opened. So I will fold this way to get a triangle this way and another triangle this way. So now I will fold this triangle down this direction, and the same thing, fold it down, rotate, and I will open it from here, from here, and then I will push from top, collapse it to get a polygon like this. And this direction, same way I open it from here, I will collapse I will push from here to create a polygon of this shape. So now I will fold the polygon, the two triangle. So fold this line, align the center line. This side the same way. I rotate, I fold this same way, and let the polygon to be sharper. And then I will fold this part to back, to that way, and this part that way. Now I will open it, I will push from here to front, and this way, and here same way. I open it, I push, and I close. I push and I close. So now the small triangle, I just fold it up. Fold this way, align this line here. Fold. And here same thing, I fold up. Okay. Now I will need to change the shape of this triangle. So I push from here, pull from here. So I push, here a little bit open. I push and then I push here. I get this shape, triangle. Always triangle. And then I will push from here, or push from here and here to change the direction of the triangle again. Okay. So adjust it carefully. Okay, like a bird, but I do not want to fold a bird. I want to fold a wolf. So I will push this side inside and outside. So it's still bird. No, I do not need bird. I will fold this point up. And I will push the point a little bit inside. I don't want it to be too sharp. So okay, it is not sharp here. So now I will open this. I made a little bit opened. This will be the ears. These two triangles will be ears of my wolf. Okay, now I will create tail. And I will push this part down. Before push, I can just fold like this, two way, and then I push down. And inside there is another triangle, I can push it together, down. And then I push it up. I push up. And then it's too high, I will adjust it. Okay, and I adjust this higher way, this lower way, and like a spear. But the tail of wolf is not spear. I will just fold this. So this way, fold a little bit, and the top also same way. I will make disappear this corner. Just the tail. Okay. Okay. And okay, but this wolf does not have his back leg. His back leg always is hiding under his body, but there are some things we can see. I will fold this point up. And I will fold this part up as well. Just now I fold a corner here inside. There is a corner. There is a corner. But it's better I fold it inside. Fold inside. And now I fold the corners this way now. Make it wave a little bit. Okay, I created my wolf, my sitting wolf, the blue wolf. In nature, it is not existed now, but in future it might be. Okay, so I don't know if the family of gray wolf will accept him, but he will try his best to be accepted, because this is a YouTube wolf. In YouTube world, everything is colorful, so almost. So this is the blue wolf, new sort. Okay, do you accept me? Yes, yes, please. So you will protect us. Okay, so I join you. Okay, let's say bye-bye to our audience, to our friends. Okay, I will say bye-bye. Bye-bye, my friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.